May we now invite Honorable Chief Minister of Puducherry, Shri V. Narayanasamy, to address all of us. He is the 10th Chief Minister of the Union Territory, and he previously served as the Member of Parliament representing Puducherry in the Lok Sabha.
Asato ma sadagamaya, tamaso ma jyotirgamaya, mridyo ma amidangamaya. Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti. Today I am very delighted and I really feel peace of mind seeing our Guruji and Swamijis and all the inmates of this ashram and all the leaders who have come here. I am really thankful to the chairman of the Annapurna Trust, Honorable Shri Sampathji, and also the chairman of the Education Trust, Shri Narasimhamurthy ji, and the chairman of the trust which is looking after the health, Srinivas ji, and our Holiness, for giving me an opportunity to meet all of you today. In fact, when Sampathji came along with his team, that they would like to help our students in our state, Puducherry, I called our Education Minister, Honorable Minister Kamalakannan. We had a discussion. In fact, Puducherry has got a unique feature. In our state, we were ruled by the French. Though our country got freedom in 1947, we got our freedom in 1954. At the time of French regime, the French government, the then French government, started the noon meal scheme, free noon meal scheme for the children in our schools. Thereafter, after 1954, the scheme was continued. In fact, in the adjoining state of Tamil Nadu, the free noon meal scheme for the children was not implemented. When the then Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Perunthalavar Kamaraj, when he went to the villages, he saw children, they were grazing the cattle in the fields. He called them, he asked them, why you are not going to the school? They said that my parents are not allowing me to go. We don't have the food. Therefore, we are doing the grazing of the cattle so that our family will get a sustained income. Then he asked those children, when you provide food in the afternoon, will you come to school? They agreed. Thereafter, Perunthalavar Kamaraj, when he was Chief Minister, he started the free midday meal scheme for the children of the schools. And thereafter, today Tamil Nadu is one of the pioneering states in education. The one step which has been taken by him. In fact, in our state, Puducherry, we wanted to improve it further. we called Madam Sonia Gandhi to Puducherry. We wanted to give hot milk to the children in the morning. When the children go home in the evening after playing, they should not feel the tiredness. Therefore, morning breakfast scheme, afternoon lunch, evening hot milk. All the three schemes we introduced in Puducherry. Therefore, we attained the fully literate state 10 years back. About 3 years back, 2 years back, when our dear friend Sambhaji came to me that we would like to give the nutritious biscuit for your children in the school. We would like to launch it from Puducherry. We told them you have a survey. They did survey. And thereafter, they selected the school. We launched it. Today, as I mentioned, 213 schools in Puducherry, government schools, the children are getting biscuits and milk in the morning. In fact, not about other states, about my state, I would like to say, we give in the midday meal scheme, hot food we are giving to the children in all the schools. Prepared in central kitchen, and it is supplied to all the schools by the servants of the education department. Puducherry, we took a decision. Health for all was our policy. Today, as the madam was explaining, the maternal mortality rate is the lowest in Puducherry state. The infant mortality rate is the lowest in Puducherry state when compared to all India average. Not only that, 100% institutional delivery, we have achieved that in Puducherry state. In education, in health, and also in providing food to the children, as the Narasimhamurthy ji has said, that is the main focus of our government, and we are able to achieve it step by step. We are providing the highest fund in the budget, number 1 for education, number 2 for health in our state. And the students who are studying the medical education, sponsored by the state government, our state government is providing them 2,25,000 rupees for their education fees every year in our state for medical education. Therefore, the children belonging to poor families, belonging to backward classes, belonging to scheduled caste, belonging to scheduled tribe, the vision, the ambition of the parents to give better education for the children to become doctors, has been achieved in our state, in Puducherry state. This is all possible because, as the Narasimhamurthy ji has said, there should be dedication and commitment. The Baba, I had an occasion, Guruji had an occasion to meet Baba in Chennai when I was member of parliament. I was member of parliament in the Rajya Sabha for 3 terms. Thereafter in Lok Sabha for 1 term. At the time when I was member of parliament from Lok Sabha, I was minister in the Honorable Prime Minister's office, Dr. Manmohan Singh. In fact, Dr. Manmohan Singh used to say, the government is for all, whether they are ruling state or opposition ruled state. We'll have to treat all the states equally. Whether it is employment guarantee program, whether it is health program, whether it is education program, or midday meal scheme, rural health mission, rural education mission. We used to provide more funds to the opposition ruled state than the ruling states. That was the approach we had. Therefore, we were able to achieve 9% growth during that period. Today, I'm very happy to announce, Guruji, Puducherry has got 11.4% growth rate. All India average is 6.77%. In Swachh school, the better maintained school, which Sambhaji also saw that school, all over the country about 52 schools have been selected by the government of India, out of which number 1 was Puducherry school. 100% mark they got it. In these 52 schools, Puducherry and Karaikal bagged 7 awards out of these 52. Not only that, in sustainable development goal, the place where people can live with all basic amenities and support, Niti Aayog and the World Bank, they had a survey. In that, Puducherry has been ranked as number 5 all over the country. Sustainable development goal. Though we are a very small state, our concentration, our focus is on welfare of the people. I'm very happy that the Guruji, Madhusudanji, you are very kind enough. You have been supporting our state as if you have adopted our state as Puducherry state. Today I feel that I am getting the blessings of Baba through you. When I see in the hall, love all, serve all. If this is followed, there will be peace in the whole world. If you love people, if you don't have any antagonizing people, if you don't antagonize people, if we carry everybody with us, whether they are poor or rich, the people who are dedicated, then we can see that we are serving the humanity. The God has given us blessings to be human beings. So long as we live, we should serve the poor and downtrodden. We should serve the suffering people. That is how we have been sent to this world by the Lord, by the God. In fact, I am very, very happy that the scheme which has been launched in Puducherry now reached 20 states. Not only that, in 2020, they would like to cover more than 10 million children all over the country. In fact, I am also blessed because the the food is being, today it has been launched, it will be implemented in Puducherry. In fact, when I came here, I found the kind of discipline, the kind of the commitment, the kind of divine blessings, and also the feeling of getting the blessings of Lord. This is very, very unique for a politician to feel today. As a politician, because my concern is for only one. We have to bring and give the quality education for the government school children. That is my focus. In fact, when I called the teachers of government schools, when I had interaction with them, for the purpose of improving the quality of education in government schools, I told them in my own way, as a government teacher, you are sending your child to private school, but the children who are studying, who are from the poor families, whose parents cannot afford, you should be the father and mother to give them better education. Now the quality has improved. Now more than 88%, which was 76, now it has come to 88%, the improvement in the quality of education in the government schools. I make one more, not only request, it's an appeal to Guruji, as my wish is to give better education for the children coming from the rural areas. Because a lot of education institutions are being run by the trust here, Narasimhamurthy ji being the chairman, I request Guruji, start one school in Puducherry from your trust, one in Karaikal. Our government will give the required land for the schools. Because after seeing the children who are studying here, in a discipline, and we want the replica of the same thing here in Puducherry also. That's what we would like to see. Now, I'm also equally thankful to the donors. I should not forget them today. The donors who voluntarily come forward for the purpose of the midday meal scheme, for breakfast scheme. They voluntarily come forward and support. Because in Tamil, there is a proverb which says, Undi koduttor, veer koduttore. You give any amount of gold, money, properties, you will not get the blessings of God. When you give food to the poor people, if they eat and they bless you, that is the blessings of God. Therefore, keeping that principle in mind, in my own way, in my humble way, in my house, once in a month, I used to feed the poor people in my state. Because the support is required for the poor. In whichever way it comes, it has to be given to them. And I am very happy to be a part of this, the 3rd year anniversary of Annapurna Trust. And I will keep it in my memory. Whatever support the Annapurna Trust requires in Puducherry state, whether I am a chief minister or not, I will be part of that system here. Thank you very much. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.